Hi and welcome back to my channel. I'm Fraser, a passionate plant-based nutritionist and naturopathic guide, here to help you unlock the incredible benefits of nutrition, natural remedies and herbs. I'm also working on an exciting initiative called Wholesale for All, creating a community-driven initiative for natural health seekers to access affordable herbs and holistic products at cost price. If this resonates with you, drop a comment below or email me at hello@naturalworkshops.com to stay updated. Now today, we're exploring ashwagandha, one of the most celebrated adaptogenic herbs, whether you're looking to reduce stress, balance hormones, or boost energy. This herb is a game changer. Ashwagandha has been a staple in Ayurvedic medicine for over 3,000 years. Known as the strength of the stallion, it's valued for restoring vitality and resilience to both body and mind. Studies show that it lowers cortisol levels, helping your body adapt to stress. Ashwagandha also supports thyroid and adrenal health, making it a great ally for women dealing with hormone imbalances. It also enhances energy levels, mental clarity, and endurance, making it ideal for busy lifestyles. A study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology highlighted ashwagandha's role in reducing anxiety and improving sleep quality, perfect for modern stress management. And here's how to make a relaxing evening drink to wind down your day. Warm 1 cup of milk of your choice and add 1 teaspoon of ashwagandha powder, a half a teaspoon of turmeric, and a pinch of cinnamon. And don't forget to add a pinch of black pepper whenever you're using turmeric, which enhances the compound curcumin, which makes it which helps it to absorb better, and it increases its potency for up to 200%. You can sweeten it with a bit of agave or stevia for blood sugar management and whisk until smooth. And then just sip and enjoy the calming effects of this tea. So if you're ready to add ashwagandha to your wellness routine and turmeric, you can visit naturalworkshops.com to get your hands on a high quality organic ashwagandha powder and organic turmeric. And don't forget, your first time purchase will get you 50% off. And don't forget to join our Telegram group, where you're going to get more guidance and you'll be able to connect with a community of like-minded health enthusiasts. So thank you so much for watching. And if you found this video helpful, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, but also share these videos with others. And make sure you hit the notification bell for updates so you don't miss out on natural solutions for your ultimate well-being. So thank you again, and stay happy, be healthy, and always be wise.